Can an LLC name be different from the business name? Yes, an LLC's legal name can be different from the name you use with customers. The legal name is what you register with the state when forming your LLC, while the business or brand name can be created by filing a DBA, doing business as, also known as a trade name or fictitious name. This lets you operate under a more marketable or customer-friendly name without changing your official LLC name. For example, your LLC might be registered as Smith Enterprises LLC, but you could file a DBA to run your cafe as Sunny Days Coffee. This flexibility allows you to operate multiple brands under one LLC. Just remember that DBAs don't provide separate liability protection. They are simply alternative names linked to the same LLC. The short answer is this. Yes, your LLC name and business name can be different if you file a DBA, but the LLC is still the legal entity behind both. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and file a DBA, so you can use the brand name that best fits your business. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.